Hello, boys and girls. So let's take a look at your work today for opinion writing. So far, we've already worked on stating our opinion and coming up with 3 reasons that support our opinion statement. And today and tomorrow, you are going to work on explaining your reasoning using facts and details. So let's go ahead and take a look at our planner. Now, your planner should already have your hook and introduction completed. You should already have reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. We did all of that on Tuesday. Yesterday, we went back and added examples and evidence to support our first reason. And then, underneath our introduction, we wrote our first body paragraph. Today, you are going to be working on evidence and examples for reason 2, and then you are going to write the next body paragraph that goes with reason 2 and your evidence and examples. Remember, as you're writing your evidence and examples, there are key transition words that you want to use. You'll find those on slide number 5. So here are some ways you can start that reason statement if you'd like to go back and add those. Second, next, for instance. And when you're working on the bottom part, your evidence and examples, you want to use these words to start your sentences. For example, the fact is, also, as well, an example is, you can see. Not every sentence needs to have one of these sentence starters, but you should have at least 1 or 2 as you're writing your evidence and examples. Remember, you have your reason sentence, and then you should have at least 3 more evidence and example sentences. You're trying to get the reader to really understand your reason, so you want to give enough evidence or examples to do that. Tomorrow, you're going to work on your third reason sentence and your evidence and example sentences to go with it, and then write a paragraph that goes with that. So today, Thursday, you're just working on your reason, evidence, and example sentences, and then you're turning those into a paragraph and adding that paragraph right to your page. When you're done, you'll update your photograph of your writing by adding a slide at the bottom of this activity and taking a photo. Good luck, boys and girls.